Hello, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss with another new topic. It is endometriosis. Here, endometriosis is a disease condition in which endometrium is present outside of the uterus. That is endometriosis. We'll see. Endometriosis, it is a disease condition in which endometrium is present outside of the uterus. Most commonly, we can see endometriosis is on the fallopian tubes, ovaries, and then a tissue which holds uterus in place. Here, it is disease condition in which endometrium that is present just outside of the uterus, and then we can see endometriosis is on fallopian tubes, ovaries, and a tissue which hold the uterus in place. Next, we will see the causes of endometriosis. Causes of endometriosis, that is retrograde menstruation, and then transformation of peritoneal cells, transformation of peritoneal cells, and then surgical scar implantation, and then endometrial tissue transport, endometrial cell transport, and then disorders of immune system. These are the causes of endometriosis. Here, retrograde is nothing but a menstrual blood flow backs. That is retrograde menstruation, and these are the causes of endometriosis. Next, we will see the signs and symptoms of endometriosis. Signs and symptoms of endometriosis. The primary symptom of endometriosis is pelvic pain. That often associated with menstrual period. And then painful period, that is dysmenorrhea. Pain with urination, and then pain with bowel movement, excessive bleeding, infertility, These are the signs and symptoms of endometriosis. Next we'll see the diagnosis. Diagnosis of endometriosis. Here first and foremost, history collection and physical examination. After that, pelvic exam, laparoscopy, ultrasound and MRI. These are the diagnostic evaluation of endometriosis. Next we'll see the complications. Here we can see scar tissue formation, cancer, infertility and adhesion. These are the complications of endometriosis. Next we'll see the management of endometriosis. Management. Here first, pain medications, that is NSAIDs. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs can be given, and then hormonal therapy. Here hormonal contraceptives can be given, that is birth control pills can be given, and then progestin therapy. Progestin therapy can be given, and then also GnRH agonists and antagonists can be given, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone agonist and antagonist. Next, surgical thing, that is hysterectomy can be recommended. Hysterectomy with the removal of ovaries. This is a surgical treatment. This is a medical treatment, medical management. This is all about the today's class about endometriosis. I hope you all are clear with the topic endometriosis. If you found this class to be useful, then please share it with your friends and then subscribe to my YouTube channel for future notification. Thank you for watching.